environment and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start part 3 of chapter number 16, A Busy Month. In this session we learned about a letter written by Gijubhai Badeka. In that letter, Gijubhai Badeka has introduced different type of birds, why they are making the nest. Why do the birds make nest? They build their nest to lay eggs and to raise their chicks. But where do the birds build their nest? Do you know where do the birds build their nest? On the high of the top trees, in or around our house, in old and deserted buildings, in the space between the stones along the roadsides, and in cactus plants and in many hedges. Also, they are building their nest. But how do they build their nest? Which thing they use to build their nest? They are using soft twigs, grass, dry leaves, cotton wool, hair and wool, and pieces of cloth threads, and even spiders, cobweb also. Extra things they are using to make their nest. Along with this, we learned about what do birds feed to their young ones. Which things birds feed to their young ones? Pieces of roti, and then insects, worms, different type of grains and nuts also. They are feeding to their young ones. So now we will start with the chapter. How many years ago did Gijubhai write this letter? How many years ago Gijubhai had written this letter? This letter written in 1936. So from today, 84 years ago, it was written by Gijubhai Badeka. This letter talks about different birds. How many of these birds have you seen? यहाँ पर हमने देखा काफी बर्ड्स के बारे में बात की हुई है. स्पेरो, सनबर्ड, इंडियन रोबिन, क्रो, कोयल, एंड देन डव, सनबर्ड, weaver bird, etc. So among these birds, which birds you have seen? I have seen dove, sparrow, cuckoo, crow. So you need to write whichever bird you have seen. How many other birds have you seen? Which ones? इसके अलावा आपने कौन से बर्ड देखे? I have seen many of the birds like pigeon, parrot, peacock, मैना, and then dove, egret, etc. Many of the birds I have seen. You have to write the names of the birds whose discussion is not there in the lesson. Here I am going to ask a puzzle. You need to give the answer. A crown on its head and coins on the tail. उसके सिर पर ताज है और पूंछ पर क्या है? Coins बने हुए. So many sets of blue from top to tail. काफी सेट्स उसके पास ब्लू कलर के काफी सेट्स उसके बॉडी पर टॉप से लेकर यानी उसके हेड से लेकर टेल तक. I am giving the clue. It is our national bird. So which bird is this one? Correct. It is peacock. If there is a nest inside or around your house, look at it carefully. Remember, do not go too near the nest and do not touch it. आपके घर के आसपास अगर कोई नेस्ट है आपके घर में या घर के आसपास तो उसको ध्यान से देखो, लेकिन ध्यान रखना आपको उसके पास नहीं जाना है और उसको टच भी नहीं करना है. If you do so, then the bird will not come to the nest again. अगर आप इसको टच करोगे तो क्या होगा? बर्ड वापस से उस नेस्ट में नहीं आएंगे. बर्ड्स यूज द नेस्ट ओनली टू ले देयर एग्स. हमने देखा कि बर्ड्स अपना नेस्ट क्यों यूज करते हैं? तो एग्स लेने के लिए. आफ्टर द एग्स हैव हैच्ड एंड द चिक्स हैव ग्रोन. जब अंडे फूल जाते हैं और उसमें से चिक बाहर आ जाते हैं और चिक बड़े हो जाते हैं, दे लीव द नेस्ट. वो अपना नेस्ट छोड़ देते हैं. इमेजिन हाउ इट वुड बी इफ वी ऑल्सो हैड टू लीव आवर होम्स एज सून एज वी लर्न टू वॉक एंड टॉक. आप अनुमान लगाइए क्या होगा अगर आप ही चलना सीख जाते हो, बोलना सीख जाते हो, इसके बाद आपका घर आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, आपको कैसा लगेगा? We can't get proper education and proper good manners if we will leave our home when as soon as we learn to walk and talk. After they leave their nest, different kind of birds live at different places. Some on trees, some near or in water, and some on land. We can see some birds which live on land, like ostrich, flamingo, they are living on the land, and some on trees like a pigeon and then parrot, they are living on the tree, and some in water like duck, stork, and then cat, they are living in the water. Other animals also live at different places on land अंडर द ग्राउंड, इन वाटर एंड ऑन ट्रीज। और इसके साथ साथ कुछ और भी प्राणी हैं और कुछ ऐसे और भी जानवर हैं जो जमीन पर रहते हैं एंड ग्राउंड के नीचे रहते हैं, जैसे कि स्नेक, लाइक एज एग्जाम्पल स्नेक, इट इज लिविंग अंडर द ग्राउंड एंड some other insects also, they are living under the ground, earthworm. Then on land there are many type of animals which live on the land and in water, like crocodile, hippopotamus, they are living in the water, and on trees like monkey, bat, these animals are living on the tree. Now we will learn about birds feet and uses of their feet, how they are using their feet, that we will learn. So everybody does not have same type of feet. Some of the birds have short feet, some of the birds have long feet, some of the birds have feet separate like fingers. कुछ birds के ऐसे पैर होते हैं जो fingers की तरह अलग अलग होते हैं, and some of the birds have web joining feet, means web feet, like duck and other water birds. Some predator birds have sharp talons, like hawk and eagle. They have sharp talons to catch their prey. उनका शिकार पकड़ने के लिए उनके पास मजबूत पंजे होते हैं. Then some of the birds have long feet, like ostrich. Ostrich के यानी कैसे होते हैं, long feet होते हैं. And some of the birds have pointed feet to climb up the tree, like woodpecker. Now, what are the use of the different type of feet? Now we will learn about web feet. Which bird have the web feet? Duck have the web feet. Why? To swim in water. They are swimming with the help of web feet. Then feet are separate like fingers. Some of the birds have feet are separated like fingers. कुछ birds के कैसे होते हैं feet? Separate होते हैं finger की तरह. Like pigeon, they have separate fingers and then strong talons. Some of the predator birds like hawks and eagle, they have strong talons to catch their prey. उन्हें शिकार पकड़ने के लिए उनके पास क्या होते हैं, मजबूत पंजे होते हैं. Then long feet. Which birds have long feet? Yes, ostrich and flamingo. What they are doing with the long feet? They are walking on the land through the long feet. Then last one, pointed feet. कुछ जो climbing birds होते हैं like woodpecker, they have pointed feet to climb up the tree. Now we will learn about birds' beak and the use of their beak. What is the use of our teeth? We are chewing our food, we are crushing our food, and we are grinding our food with the help of our teeth. Okay, and the birds are using their beak. How they are using their beak? So the birds like eagle, hawks, they are tearing and eating their meat with the help of their sharp beak. Do you know how many teeth does an adult person have? Yes, and an adult person has 32 teeth. And do you know how many type of teeth are there? Two types. First is milk teeth and second is permanent teeth. The teeth, the first teeth that an infant grows is known as milk teeth. ऐसे दांत जो छोटे बच्चों के आते हैं उन्हें milk teeth कहा जाता है. The number of milk teeth are 20. As we are having teeth to crush our food, to chew our food, like that. In that way, birds have beaks. They have one beak. Birds have one beak. They are using the beak in different ways. Birds like eagle and hawk, they are using their beak to tear and eat meat. वो मांस खाने के लिए, उसको फाड़ने के लिए उनकी बीक का, उनकी चोंच का जो यूज करते हैं. एंड टू ब्रिंग फूड टू फीड देयर चिक्स. और कुछ बर्ड्स और सभी बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं, अपनी बीक से फूड लेकर आते हैं, खाना लेकर आते हैं अपने चिक्स के लिए, अपने यंग वंस के लिए. एंड टू सक नेक्टर फ्रॉम फ्लावर्स. एंड ह्यूमिंग बर्ड इट सक नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर. फ्लावर का जो रस होता है वो चूसने के लिए ह्यूमिंग बर्ड अपनी बीक का यूज करता है. देन टू मेक होल्स इन वुड एंड ट्री ट्रंक्स. सनबर्ड एंड वुडपेकर, दिस बर्ड्स हैव पॉइंटेड बीक. उनकी बीक कैसी होती है, पॉइंटेड होती है. उससे वो होल कर सकते हैं, लकड़ी में छेद कर सकते हैं और ट्री ट्रंक में भी छेद कर सकते हैं. टू find insects from mud and shallow water, like kiwi have long beak. इसकी beak कैसी होती है, like kiwi and stork, they have long beak to find insects. वो insect find कर सकते हैं, fish find कर सकते हैं mud में से, मिट्टी में से, और shallow water जो चिकना पानी था उसमें से. And to break and crush seeds, and they are using their beaks. All birds are using their beak to क्रश एंड ब्रेक द सीड्स, सीड्स को यानी तोड़ने के लिए, उनको क्रश करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, वो अपनी चोंच का यूज करते हैं। एंड टू कट एंड ईट मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ फूड, all birds are using their beak to cut, like crow and pigeon, sparrow, they are using their beak to crush and eat many kind of food. In this way birds are using their beaks. I hope you understood this lesson. We will meet soon in our online session to solve your doubts and queries, and I will send PDF of this chapter in our WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day.